Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to this parallel program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, myself D. Akila. I am as a maths teacher in this school. What about yourself?
My name is Anvik Sai. I am from 3rd class. My school name is Sri Saraswati Vidya Niketan. My father name is Naresh. My mother name is Kavita.
Okay, are you ready to this competition?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your first word is explain.
EXPLAN.
Okay, next one digit.
DIGIT.
Location.
LOCATION. Location.
Activity.
ACTIVITY. Activity.
Journey.
JOURNEY. Journey.
Very good. Hunters.
HUNTERS. Hunters.
Pleasure.
PLEASURA. Pleasure.
Columns.
COLUMNS. Columns.
Numeral.
NUMERAL. Numeral.
Last word earned.
EARNED. Earned.
Okay, your GK questions. How many hours are there in one day?
12.
Who wrote our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. How many months are there? Sir. In year.
24.
What is the fastest animal on the earth?
Cheetah.
What is our national bird?
Indian roller.
No. How did you feel about this competition?
I felt very happy.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.